Stewart is fully integrated with Encompass. That means you can enjoy a simplified, streamlined order placement process. By simplified, we mean that you can work with a Stewart title office to get fee quotes, place orders, track order statuses, and a lot more without ever having to leave your loan origination system. And the best part of it all? It's easy. Here's a quick walkthrough of how you place an order. To start, just click on the Services tab at the top of the Encompass Transactions screen. Select Title and Closing in the drop-down menu and choose Stewart Title Company as your provider. When the Stewart plugin appears, enter your credentials. If you don't have credentials, just click on the Request Access link and our team will contact you. Once you've entered your credentials, click on the Order tab. You can either send your order through our centralized title services or choose from our national network of local offices. If you choose a local office, just click the Locate an Office button. You can then either use the property address associated with the loan file, enter a different address, or search by zip code up to 50 miles. Now highlight the office you want and click Select Office. That office will appear on the plugin. Now you're ready to calculate a quote. Calculating fees is simple. Click on Calculate Rates within the plugin and you'll be directly linked to the Stewart Rate Calculator. Some property data, as well as a variety of fees, will automatically populate. Just fill out the other required fields and choose any endorsements that may apply. Now click Calculate Rates within the Stewart Rate Calculator. Rate information, along with TRID calculations for owner and lender policies, will appear on the screen and can be automatically imported into the Encompass 2015 itemization form. You can also download a PDF of the rates. To import the fees into the 2015 itemization form, close out of the Stewart Rate Calculator and you'll be back inside the plugin. Now click on Import Fees and select the fees you want to import. To confirm that your fees were successfully imported, go into the 2015 itemization form and the fees that you're importing will appear on the HUD lines. To re-enter the plugin, go back to the top of the transaction screen and click on Services, Title and Closing, and then Stewart Title Company and log back in. To recap, you've selected your routing office, assuming you're not using centralized title services. You've calculated rates and imported them into the 2015 itemization form. Now just click on Place Order and a confirmation will appear. You're done. Two key points to remember, however, are these. Once you've placed an order, you cannot go back and choose a different order routing option. You do have the option of using the Order, Status, Documents, and Communications buttons to review statuses and any returned documents, as well as send communications directly through Encompass. You can even view your message history. The second key point is that you can cancel an order even after it's been placed. In fact, you can cancel an order up to the point that the loan is funded. After funding, however, canceling is not an option. We hope this video has provided the help you need in taking advantage of Stewart's full integration with Encompass. At Stewart, we are committed to making things easier for you. Our full integration with Encompass goes a long way toward that.